هل لك سر عند الله بينك
Assalamu alaikum. So I am a parent at Taleem Institute. I have 2 children, 2 boys that attend here on the weekend. They are ages 9 and 10. So they come here on the weekend, and my eldest son, he's in Quran, he studies Quran, and the second one, he's studying Juz Amma. But the good thing about Taleem Institute is they also incorporate other studies as well, which is a good thing about this place. It has a modern approach where they teach Islamic studies and stories of the prophets and Aqidah and other small lessons that complement the overall studies that they're providing here. The children, they really enjoy coming here, and this education is very important for our children and the next generation. And I think it's important in the sense that if they have a good understanding and grounding of Islam, then they will benefit themselves and they will also benefit the community as well. We need institutes like this to basically educate. The mission statement for Taleem is to educate, engage and empower. And we need institutes like this that are basically proactive, providing the education for our next generation, the children, and also engaging with the community. They have a lot of other courses and weekend classes. In the evening they have parent groups, and they have talks for elderly people, and they have talks for mothers and toddlers, and they've got lessons and classes for sisters and Tajweed classes for brothers. So they're very proactive, and something like this is very important in a growing community in Grays, where the Muslim community is still small and growing. We definitely need an institute like this that's doing what they can to be proactive and supporting the community and providing the education that they need. So my message for parents would be to engage and interact with Taleem. Taleem needs your support. It's a new institute. It's only been here for the last 6 months or so. And if you have children, to send the children here, because this is a place where children will learn more about Islam, and it will benefit them and it will benefit the community as well. And if you don't have children, Taleem, there's lots of opportunities here for you to come and interact with lessons or talks, and you can also basically provide support because they need support here as well.